Dear students, today is the second day to discuss about two solids, cuboid and a cube. Dear students, you must know that in which questions we need to calculate area, that is curved surface area or total surface area. When we require to calculate volume, so first of all we have to discuss where you have to calculate curved surface area or total surface area. I just give some examples, and through these examples you must experience that suppose you are going to white, we are going to do whitewashing a wall. It means that I just tell you in Odia, आमे गोटे कांथ को रंग करने को जाऊे. That means we are going to calculate its area. Suppose a roller runs over the ground. गोटे रोलर जेतबले ग्राउंड रे चले माटी को समतल करे टू लेवल द ग्राउंड, से जेतिकी वाइड रे रोलर टा चले सेठी आमे एरिया मध्य आमे कैलकुलेट करूचे. जेतबले प्लेन सरफेस कथा आसुजी, खाली सरफेस कथा आसुजी, सेतबले आमे एरिया कैलकुलेट करूचे. किंतु जेतबले गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट हाउ मच water it holds or how much air present in a room or in a cuboidal shaped ground you are digging and the earth is taken out. तुम्हें गोटे जगह को खोली दौच, खोली से माटी काढ़ी दौच, केते परिमाणर माटी काढ़ुच, दैट मीन दैट इज कॉल्ड द वॉल्यूम. But for another example I tell you, in volume, where you have to use the volume, suppose one solid is melted to make another solid. तुम्हें गोटे सॉलिड टाकू मेल्ट कर दौच, से आउ गोटे सॉलिड तुम्हें तैयारी करुच. इन दिस केस वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द वॉल्यूम. आउ गोटे छोट कथा कहबी जे तुम्हें गोटे बड़ क्यूब टी अच्छी. सपोज दिस इज ए लार्जर क्यूब. आकु तुम्हें कौन कर ना मेल्ट करदेल. मेल्ट करदेला परे तुमको कहला ये छोट छोट क्यूब तैयारी करने यही भाया क्यूब टी तुम्हें तैयारी एथिरू केतेटा यही भली क्यूब, हाउ मनी स्मॉल क्यूब्स कैन बी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम दिस लार्जर क्यूब. सो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट टेल मी. ना इन दिस केस वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द वॉल्यूम. मीन्स you calculate its volume, then calculate its volume. Suppose its volume is 10 meter cube and its volume is how much? Now 2 meter cube. Tell me, from 10 meter cube how many 2 meter cube can be made? Now you have to divide 10 meter cube by 2 meter cube, that is equal to 5. Means like this cube, this small cube, means 5 small cubes can be made from this. So volume of the here number of solids forms formula, note in your copy, number of solids formed is equal to formula volume of the solid divided by volume of the solid formed. Volume of the solid formed. You see the formula, number of solids formed equals to volume of the solid and this is divided by volume of the solid form माने जो solid रु एटा होची प्रथम जो solid देइथिबो सेही solid रो वॉल्यूम आ एई solid को कोटा नुवा solid बाहर कराला तार वॉल्यूम को डिवाइड कर दे तुमे कैलकुलेट करिवो. So let us have some questions to discuss here. Just I tell you here some question you see here. What is the question here? Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad. 6 meter broad means that is breadth, and 3 meter deep means the height. I mean तळु को जाउछ ना deep. At the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. You here some general idea here. Meter cube means you are going to calculate the volume. First of all, you calculate the volume of the cuboid, then you find the cost. Clear now? So now how to solve it? Just I tell you here how to solve this question. Now first you mention given that what is the length? L equals to how much? Now 8 meter. Breadth equals to how much? 6 meter. And h equals to how much? 3 meter. Now calculate the volume. Volume equals to L into B into H. So that is equal to 8 into 6 into 3. 8 6 ja how much? 48. 48 into 3. 3 8 ja 24. 4 2. 3 4 ja 12. 144. 144 meter cube. But what is the cost is given? 1 meter cube rupees 30. So right here 1 meter cube costs equals to rupees 30. 144 meter cube costs 144 meter cube cost rupees 144 into 30. So multiply here 30 means 0 0 0 4 3 ja 12 2 1 3 4 ja 12 1 13 3 1 3 4. So 0 2 3 4. So that is rupees 4320. So therefore required cost is rupees 4320. Clear now? And this is the question. And here another question you see here. This question you see, just I show you here. Number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Tell me, this is called what? Tell me, this is called the volume. And a volume is represented in liter. You have to convert it into meter cube. Find the breadth of the tank. So, तार tank or breadth. If its length, depth are given. Man here length is and depth. Depth means height. Height is given. You need to find the breadth, but volume is given. So first of all you write what are the things given. Let us have some here. Given that volume equals to 50,000 liters of water. You convert it to meter cube. So you divide 50,000 divided by 1,000. Divide it. That becomes meter cube. So 3030. So that is 50 meter cube. So volume is given 50 meter cube. More is given. What is length? Length. What is the length is given? Length is given 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. Please convert into decimal form. 2.5 means that is 25 by 10. 5 5 ja 5 2 ja 5 by 2 meter. And the breadth equals to 10 meter. Clear now? Okay. Now tell me here, you need to find the volume given. So volume formula is, as per the question, length into breadth into height equals to 50 meter cube. So now replaced by L, what is L? 5 by 2. Replaced by B is needed to calculate. You write B. This is deep given height this is, and H is replaced by 10 equals to 50. So 2 cancel 10, this is 5. 5 5 ja 25B equals to 50. Then B equals to 50 by 25, that is equal to 2. So therefore required breadth is 2 meter. Clear now? So this is the thing. Okay. Next question you are going to discuss. This is the very important question. You see the number 9. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? How much water will fall means, that means we are going to calculate the volume. So that means you try to understand that what is the here rate is given 2 km per hour. Suppose this is the river is flowing here. This is the river. This is the river. Okay, water flows. But remember that in 1 hour, suppose this is the 1 hour. The time is taken in 1 hour. And this length is given that, what this length, and that is 2 km. Okay, and you have to calculate how much water present here. This length becomes 2 km, and breadth is given. What is the breadth given? Breadth given by 40 meter wide. This is 40 meter wide given. This is 40 meter wide, and the deep is how much deep? This is 3 meter, and this is called the once again I tell you, this is the river, and here water flows. Suppose water starts from here, and after 1 hour water reached here. This is the 1 hour time. This is the 1 hour time, and you just block here. Now water stored here. Now calculate how much volume of water present here. So this forms a cuboid, and the distance will be 2 km, and because water covers it 2 km distance per hour it is given, and this is this amount of water stored here in 1 hour, that will go to the sea. So how to solve it? Answer. How to solve? Here given that, here you have to write, given that L means the speed of the water. L is equal to speed of the water. What is the speed of water is given here? 2 km per hour. 2 km. Breadth is given how much? What is the breadth given? Breadth 40 meter wide. That is 40 meter. Here kilometer, here 40 meter. Then what is the deep by height given? What is the height given? Height is given 3 meter. Height equals to 3 meter. You see here, all are present in meter, but this is kilometer. You convert into 2 km, how much meter? 2000 meter. Okay. So now you have to calculate the volume of water in 1 hour, because speed is given 2 km per hour. So you have to calculate for 1 hour. So formula, what is the formula? It is a cuboid shape, length into breadth into height. So what is the length given? 2000 into what is the breadth given? 40 meter. What is the height given? This is 3. So what is the answer? 2 4 8 3 24. How many zeros here? 3 zeros here, 1 0. So 4 zeros meter cube. So this much volume of water will fall into the sea in how much hour? In 1 hour. But question says in 1 minute. आमर ये एतिकी वाटर होची गोटे घंटार आमर गोटे मिनिट रे केते. सो राइट हियर राइट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर will fall into the sea in 1 minute. In 1 minute equals to, this is 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So in 1 minute means divide by 60. 24 4 zeros divided by 60. 1 0 1 0 cancel. So that is 640. So how many? 4,000 meter cube. So this is your answer. Clear? Okay. So we have another question here. Let us see here. Question is a solid cube of a side 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. Question says there is one cube 12 centimeter that is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? What will be the side of the new cube? Try to understand here. Just I show you in the figure. This is one cube. This is one cube. And what is the length given? This is 12 centimeter given. And that is cut into 8 equal cubes. 8 equal cubes of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one more you take here. 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 equal cubes. And the question says what is the side of this new cube? This is the new cube. And what is the side of this new cube? And this is the larger cube. Okay. So how to get it? Now, first you see from this cube, these 8 cubes are formed. So its volume plus 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 its volume means sum of the volumes of 8 cubes equals to volume of this larger cube. Okay. So first to calculate volume of the larger cube. Side of the larger cube. Side of the larger cube A equals to how much? 12 centimeter. Calculate its volume. So volume equals to A cube. That means 12 into 12 into 12 centimeter cube. And question is what is the side of this? You write let side of the new cube. Let the side of the new cube is be x. I took this is x. This is x. So now you are going to calculate its volume. Volume equals to x cube. Clear? So as per the question, volume of this 8 cubes means what? 8x cube will be equals to 12 into 12 into 12. So x cube equals to 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 8. Here 2 6 2 4 again 2 6 then 2 then 2 12 6. That means x cube equals 6 into 6 into 6. Then x is equal to cube root of 6 into 6 into 6. So it is a triplet. So 1 6 will be taken. X is equal to 6. So therefore required side of the cube is 6 centimeter. Okay, thank you. सब एक्सरसाइज करदेव ये सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम चैप्टर सरीगला। आज मुझे तुमको किसी क्वेश्चन देवी, तुम्हें तुम प्रैक्टिस कर। ओके, थैंक यू।